Come on, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Woman, you stop this. We don't allow such in our school. I've warned you time with that number. Wake up on time. Wake up on time. And stop sleeping like a dog. Wake up on time and get yourselves prepared for school. In this school, we don't allow late coming. It's not allowed. Otikpo, principal, Otikpo. Look at the time you are coming to school. And you're even putting on pants. You are putting on slippers. We don't allow such. Why are you coming to school by this time? And why are you putting on pants?
Sir,
we don't use vernacular in this school. Don't speak Igbo. Can you say it in English language?
I am Botolo one nenya.
You are what?
I am Botolo one nenya.
Otikpo is na bottle marigini.
I am bottle. I am bottle. I am Botolo one nenya. I am bottle. I am bottle. I am Botolo one nenya. I am bottle. I am bottle. I am Botolo one nenya.
Otikpo is na bottle go bochi.
I am bottle. I am bottle. I am Botolo one nenya. I am bottle. I am bottle. I am Botolo one nenya. I am bottle. I am bottle. I am Botolo one nenya. I am bottle.